Yeah, so one of the reasons I wanted to get LASIK was my family and I were outside all the time. We love to go snorkeling or swimming or fishing, kayaking, all those types of things. And having glasses is a real pain. Contacts, I hated wearing them. But now I can just put on my sunglasses here and throw the kayak in the water with my kids and we're ready to go. Hi, I'm Chris Compton. I got my SBK LASIK surgery here at Brinton Vision. Before surgery, I couldn't see, literally anything. I couldn't see the clock on the wall if it was 3 feet in front of me. Very, very blotchy, blurred vision, close, far, everything. Just, I could not see anything before my procedure. I found Brinton Vision from 97.1 News Talk. They talk about Brinton Vision all the time. I looked up several places and this is the one that just felt right. Yeah, so when I came in for the consultation, they put me through all the tests. They gave me all the options that I had, what price points looked like. They were very honest and upfront. There was no behind the curtain pricing or anything like that. It's here's what the price is and here's what we can do for you, and financing options or cash options. They walked us through everything. It was very upfront. I think that's what I liked about it. The day of the procedure, I was very comfortable. I came in, they asked me if I wanted some water. They brought out water in a glass with a doily, and they made everything very special. Very luxurious visit, actually, very luxurious, like a spa. So even leaving here right afterwards, they checked my eyes, make sure everything went well. Went out in the parking lot, and I could, even with my sunglasses on that they gave me, I could see, rear view mirrors inside cars, and I could see little things in people's vehicles that I would not have been able to see, not even close. And then at night, I would get up every hour off the couch, and I would go stand in my kitchen and see if I could read the clock on my stove. And every hour I'd take a step back and another step back, another step back, and I could just see better literally every hour. Really honestly, Dr. Brinton, coming in here, you see all the awards and diplomas that he has on the wall. He's a very nice gentleman. Sometimes, doctors don't have great bedside manner or things like that. When he came in and talked to us, he was very down to earth. He was very open, anything I needed I could call. He texted me his cell phone number the night when I got home that day if I had any questions. So really, he's a standout doctor for sure. No, yeah, I appreciate everybody here at Brinton Vision. It's something I wish I would have done a long time ago. Anybody looking to maybe do this, my advice to you would be to just pull the trigger and do it. The investment's well worth it, and Brinton Vision here takes good care of everybody.